Someone came to me with a peculiar problem. He said that he had a list of data that had this special day name written with a bunch of other name and with her day written after it. He wanted this data to be sorted on the basis of this day, as you can see in the as you see in the last uh, few characters. He wanted a sort based on that. Now, what we can do is somehow take this data, paste it as values, and then try to work from there and try to, you know, somehow manipulate this data to sort it on basis of day, which is all well and good, but this is not how this should be done. The problem with this particular data is that it's not sorted in a particular way. The data is not actually defined. That's the problem here. As you can see, special day comes with this data. Let me remove the filter. If you will see that there is a name, some these are name of cities, sorry, states, some states or something, and you can see that with that data the special day is added with it, and that is actually what's creating the problem. So we need to fix the data, not the pivot table. So let's see some way of doing that. If we go into the city and we type here special day, we know that these are the special day, and we just add a column and we write here special day. We fill this to the here and dot, and we can say special day or not. This is one column. Okay. Now the magic happens with the other thing, as you will see. What we want is actually the last few days. Okay, let's only work with special days for now. We only want the last few dates data. The problem is it might, as you can see, the we can use actually left here, sorry, right, and we can go like this. Sorry, it will be 6, not 5. And now we have day. The problem with it, you can see immediately that as this says day space 30, it is more than 6 characters. It is 6 characters, but this is only 5 characters to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this you can see, this is 6. So the problem that happens is now day 5 has a space before it. So this will cause us to not be able to sort this data properly. So what we can do is, if you have this feature, flash fill features, this will work perfectly here. Let me show you how. Instead of typing the particular formula, I just type day 30. Okay. And then I select it all here. I search flash fill and I press enter. Now if you will see that it hasn't put a space before the day 5. And this is the special thing about